Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and this video just posted yesterday on this text effect. And I stated in there I just found this on the internet and traced it, and I found this hockey player. It's pretty cool because it has a solid background. It's going to cause us a little bit of trouble with the stick, but for this I wasn't particularly careful with it, but I could be. So you want to make it little. The picture came in quite large. I can actually make it a little bit littler, so we're like 2, set our nudge factor on 3, and we're gonna trace this guy. Nothing special, outline, trace, clip art. Takes just a second, and I think it does it pretty quick because the Corel has small to work with. Now we basically got the outline. We'll bring in a yellow box trick. There's nothing there. Now at this time you could actually clean it up a little bit, but we don't have to yet. I would maybe clean up the stick, and but I'm not going to take the time. But you could break it apart, go up to Object, Group, and ungroup it. And then what you're going to do, you're going to have to zoom in, and basically what you want to do is just fill in these spots so the Smart Fill tool doesn't fill. I'm going to go ahead and fix it real quick. Won't take just a second. And I could be a little more careful, but basically what I'm doing, I'm stopping because I'm going to show you how to use the Smart Fill tool. And we could actually take this away now. I'm hitting delete, take these 2 nodes and we could do this afterward, turn it into a line. And a couple other spots we could do now or later. I'm going to do this one now, and then I'm going to show you. I'm going to select both those. I'm going to right click and turn them into a line. So I'm not going to fix this one on purpose. Now what we can do is take a rectangle tool and fill it in with our Smart Fill tool. We'll go ahead and use this blue and then move that out of the way. And you see now we got our outside, and you could actually see some problems, like right there. But that doesn't really matter right now. Now what we can do is take the Smart Fill tool with a separate color and fill in that void. And then zoom or nudge it back over. I haven't changed my nudge factor. I'm just using the arrow keys. And then select both those and go intersect. Look at that. Now if we bring our yellow box trick, you can see it now has no background. Now we fixed one before, now we can fix it after. If we grab the shape tool, it's full of nodes. You could delete those, select those 2, convert them to a line. And then at this time you could use the smoothing tool, set on something like a 1/4 inch, zoom in. You don't want it too big. Click on your item so you get some nodes. And see, we're just gonna, and it's a hockey, it's his pants. See, we did pretty good with the stick. I missed some spots up there. But, his part of his shoe is gone, but, you could fix that and, make it look more realistic. But anyway, that's how I did it. It's a completely background. And then if you didn't watch part 1 of this, you can go and watch how to do that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.